You're watching Fox 45 Good Day Baltimore. All local, all morning.
And couples do not need to make reservations for Valentine's Day at a fancy restaurant. Next, see how you can have a romantic dinner right in the comfort of your home. 9:20.
It is 9:23 this Valentine's Day, which, by the way, guys, remember, it's next week. And it's time to get creative. We can try preparing dinner at home. If you're not sure what to cook, we brought in this guy, Jim Benson, joining us with a few ideas on what you can do and how to make it special. You guys are so great at this.
Oh, thank you. You know, we try to get creative and make everything fun, you know, because, you know, we have to have some fun in life, you know?
Well, 11 Courses Catering can certainly do this. My question is, can I make this on Valentine's Day for my husband?
You sure can. So we came up with some great ideas that you can do together as a couple.
Okay.
Something you can prep ahead of time and just enjoy the evening and celebrate Valentine's Day with each other, you know?
That's a good idea, because you don't want to be cooking on Valentine's Day.
Exactly. You don't be stuck in traffic trying to get that reservation. You know, bring a little bit of yourself to the meal and enjoy each other.
So what do we do?
So we have a great oyster empanada. So we wanted to do a dish that kind of highlights some, you know, popular things that just scream romance. So we have some oysters. And what goes best with oysters? A little bit of bacon.
Oh,
so we're going to saute that. So I'm just going to poach in the pan. And we're going to add some aromatics just to add some flavor to that. Onions, celery. You can see very few ingredients. A little bit of cornbread that we dried out and pulsed. So it's nice and fine, and some salt and pepper, a little bit of cayenne, because, you know, we got to have a little bit of spice for Valentine's Day.
I never
why
would
not
have
some
thought to
white
do
wine?
that.
Yeah, and
we get oysters all the time, and we grill them, or you know, put them in soup. But I've never would have thought to
have a little fun with some oyster stuffing, and so fully combine
very romantic too.
Exactly, and then you can simply add it to pastry dough you get at the store, or maybe you have some puff pastry or what have you.
And all those flavors.
Add those flavors together, all those ingredients, and it's as simple as doing a little bit of pressing.
So as we do this, is it okay if you have a little coming out? You want to tuck it in?
Yeah, you just want to tuck that in, make sure it's sealed so none of the filling comes out when you fry it, and then you can have the completed beautiful empanada. Fry it or bake it.
So you could do that the day before.
Do it ahead of time, and then just take it out of the freezer and drop it in the fryer, and you have an excellent appetizer for your dinner.
Do you have to defrost it before putting it on,
or just
put
throw it in the fryer, and then you'll be good to go.
Okay, I could do that.
With
and
a
this
little
is what
bit
it looks
of
like.
Caviar, of course, for Valentine's Day. A little raspberry paint with some vinegar in there.
See, and that's what makes it the finishing touch, and really takes it up a notch there.
Totally.
And you put some on the top too, so we've got some of the oysters there. So if you have extra,
exactly, you can just add it to the plate to add a texture. And
very
then
nice.
you know, and then we also, for your entree, you can do a beautiful duck breast with incorporating some chocolate, because you know we have chocolate for Valentine's Day, and so a beautiful combination of a mole and duck taco.
I can't let you go without asking about these drinks you've made, and not only a drink but a dessert.
Yes. So for the dessert, we have a beautiful pear with a mango gazpacho, and then we just simply make a white chocolate avocado mousse.
Oh my goodness! Do you drink it? Do you use a spoon?
You can do both.
Either way.
Have fun with it, enjoy yourself,
and finish with bourbon.
Bourbon. I mean, that's the end of every great night. It's just a little bit of bourbon, some fig, and raspberry candy glass.
We can do this. This is our perfect night right here. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you for having us. Yeah.